Origins.
War is changing, and it's happening faster than most people realize.
What happens when machines start making decisions in war?
When machines start making the decisions in war, the outcome is absolute, the cost immeasurable.
In the past, decisions in war were made by humans. Slow, uncertain, and limited. Information took time to gather. And time often meant risk. Then technology began to change the battlefield. Computers entered the decision process. Modern war produces massive amounts of data, far more than humans can process alone. Satellite images, drone feeds, signals. The volume quickly becomes overwhelming. Decisions must now be made in seconds. Speed becomes critical. This is where artificial intelligence enters, to process what humans cannot. AI identifies patterns instantly, movements, behaviors, and threats. It can identify potential targets faster than any human analyst. AI does not replace commanders, but it guides their decisions. Execute the deployment strategy immediately. Drones became the eyes of modern war, always watching from above. With AI, drones become more than cameras. They begin to interpret what they see. Some systems can now act on their own, without immediate human input. Response time is reduced dramatically, from minutes to seconds. Strikes become more precise. Targets are selected with greater accuracy. Humans are still involved, but their role is changing. Modern systems begin to rely on AI more than ever before. This marks a turning point. War is no longer only human. AI is no longer experimental. It is already being used in real conflicts. AI connects satellites, drones, and sensors, creating a constant flow of information. Targets can now be tracked continuously, across cities, borders, and terrain. Some systems can recognize faces, even in crowded environments. AI can analyze behavior patterns and detect unusual activity. Defense systems can now react automatically without waiting for human approval. Groups of drones can operate together, coordinated by AI. These systems are relatively low cost, making them accessible to more groups.
War is no longer only physical. It also happens in digital space.
AI can disrupt infrastructure, power, communication, and control. Speed increases efficiency, but reduces time for human control. And when systems make mistakes, the consequences can be immediate. A wrong identification can lead to escalation before anyone can intervene. Some systems may act independently, without waiting for confirmation. Conflict can escalate faster than ever, in ways difficult to predict. AI decisions are not always transparent, even to those who use them. Commanders must decide when to trust the system and when not to. Human judgment remains critical, but time to use it is shrinking. The nature of war is shifting, and it may never return to what it was. AI systems are not perfect. They can make mistakes. A small error can lead to a larger response. Before anyone can react, one system responds to another, and the cycle accelerates. Humans may not have time to intervene. The pace becomes too fast. Outcomes become harder to predict, even for those in charge. A localized conflict can spread quickly. Across borders and systems, war could move faster than ever before, leaving little time to respond. The line between defense and attack becomes unclear. Actions can be misinterpreted. When machines act, who is responsible? Should machines be allowed to decide life and death? Future conflicts may look very different, with fewer humans on the ground. Some wars may not even be visible, fought in code and networks. Conflict may become continuous, without clear beginnings or endings. Humans may step further back, or find new ways to stay in control. This shift is already happening across modern conflicts. The future of war is not distant. It is already here. The question is not if AI will shape war, but how far it will go, and whether humans will always remain in control.
That story is still being written.